Hello my lovely people. So today's video is all about the no makeup nude face that I wear often to office because I really don't want to exaggerate. I just change up my lipstick because I have a ton of nude lipsticks in my collection. So literally I just change up my lipstick and wear whatever I like to office. But the rest of the makeup tutorial just stay the same. So I hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below with some lovely comments. I love to hear you guys, and also you can obviously subscribe to my channel because I need the subscribers. Literally I need your love, guys. So please subscribe to my channel and click a like, and you can see me transforming from my wake up from bed face to this no makeup glam up. I'll see you guys. So to start off by priming my face, I'm using this Clinique Moisture Surge. This is a hydrating supercharged concentrate. I'm using this as my moisturizer plus primer. That's done, and now I'm gonna prime my lips using this Clinique Prep and Prime. This is a pout. I guess this is pout restoring night mask, but it's said to be used as a lip primer before you do your makeup. So I'll be doing my eyebrows off camera and I'll come back soon. So my brows are done, and now I'm just gonna set my face with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and that's in banana bread. And I'm just gonna take my MAC 133 brush. Step, what I'm using is a Pro Longwear paint pot from MAC. That's in Bare Study, and you can see this is quite like bare skin color, but with a little hint of shimmering. So I'm just gonna take that on my ring finger, and I'm gonna just apply a little bit on my lip. Now what I use is just mascara, and if you guys have seen my last video, you know how many mascaras do I use. So I'm gonna show you guys again. So I use this 4 mascaras as my holy grail. So the first one is Colossal Big Shot Mascara, and then I top it up with Maybelline Total Temptation, and then after that you get the Benefit Roller Lash, and then the last but not least is NYX Both the Hype Mascara. So these 4 are my holy grail mascaras, which I use every day, all the time, every day. Step is blush. So I'm gonna use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Brilliant Nude, and I'm gonna use a Wet n Wild blush brush. It's in the number P70. Part. So I just got this in the Nykaa Pink Haul sale, which is Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold. So I'm going to use this today, and the Wet n Wild P77 highlighting brush. That's it. See the beaming highlight. Before I go to the lip part, I will set my blush and my highlight in place using MAC Fix Plus. I got it in the lavender scent, so I'll just use that. So I came a little closer to show you guys how I get my nudie lips. So first of all, I fill up my lips using the lip pencil, the Lip Intensity lip pencil in Honey Pecan. I fill my lips using this. So the next step I use is MAC Cork pencil. I just line my lips with. Now on the lipstick part, so the lipstick I use is Huda Beauty Bombshell. This is the perfect nude for my skin tone and the girls who are NC 35 or 40-ish. So this is really the perfect nude. And I think I have just finished it, literally. So that's it. That's totally the look I'm gonna wear for my office today. The perfect nude, no makeup look face. I just changed my dress into this cool tee. This is actually a sweatshirt from Only India. It says Muggle Born. It's a Harry Potter t-shirt. It has a cool details on the arms as well. And I'm just gonna wear this to office with the jeans, obviously. And so that's it. That's actually my look for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I really need your love because I just started my channel and I really wish you guys love my video. And I really want you guys to subscribe to me. Yeah, I'm a little greedy over here. Okay, anyway, so, and all of my social medias will be linked below, I guess, or you can just check with my name Suchish Mehta in Facebook and as well as in Instagram. I'll just use those two platforms for now. Yeah, that's it. See you guys in my next tutorial and just be my peeps. Bye.